There are a few key challenges that wealth managers and RIAs are facing in today's climate. Some of those include generational wealth transfer. There's going to be an unprecedented number of transactions moving through the financial ecosystem over the coming years. They're dealing with clients that have different needs. They interact with data differently. Some are truly digital, some are analog. They need to meet their clients really where they are. And they're also seeing more differentiation in the types of assets that they want to invest in. You're seeing more value-based investing. They're also dealing with a lot of legacy tech. Most advisors today are multi-custodial. And one of the challenges with that is that there's a lot of swivel chair, operational friction, waiting on processes, batch processes. Nothing's natively digital and really moving with the modernization that clients need and expect going forward. So State Street Wealth Services adds value to wealth managers and RIAs by bringing a natively digital, cloud-based infrastructure to them. We know that they're burdened currently with multi-custodial environments. We know that they're dealing with a lot of operational inefficiency, and they have a client base that is becoming more modern and digital first. So we're bringing an API-first infrastructure to market that's really designed for artificial intelligence, digital workers, bringing operational efficiency, not just to their operations, but to the overall custodial experience. What that means is pure real-time access to data, being able to meet those clients where they are, being able to have a real-time view of the way that their portfolios are operating, as well as really being able to make more real-time data-driven decisions instead of waiting for traditional custodians to be able to make data and information available to them. So we see tremendous need in the industry where we can alleviate some pain and we can support them, meet them where they are in their operational and modernization journey without disruptive change for the RIA or wealth manager. We're able to support them in their modernization journey. What that looks like is being able to meet them where they are, set up, allow them to integrate with us at the pace in which they want to. So again, whether they are working with more traditional clients or they need to, test us out as a custodian and then look to modernize for the future. Modernization journeys, what they have to unwind from a tech debt perspective, from those inefficient legacy processes, it's not an insignificant effort, but they know that they need to change, and we're here to be able to support them. A lot of our competitors talk about integration, they talk about innovation, they talk about modernization. Um, it's great. It's a lot of buzzwords. It's really just about bolting together a bunch of legacy or maybe buying or renting some modern technology that they're attaching to the chassis of legacy batch technology. What it means to actually build for a digitally native end client really means that it's digital from the start. It's API driven, it's cloud based. You have real time data accessible, which means that an advisor actually knows in real time what the current client's position is. The client is actually functioning in a real time world. So our infrastructure needs to be that too. Means you can see real time cash movements, impacts to cash available, the ability to rebalance portfolios in real time, the ability to be able to support the value-based decision-making and investment strategies or tax advantage strategies in real time with a clear picture of exactly where the customer is in that moment. That's something that no other custodian on the street is able to do at this time, and that's something we're excited to support this customer segment. We're leveraging a variety of technologies and capabilities to create better outcomes for RIAs. That includes um, building on natively digital infrastructure that is cloud based, API first, integrates nicely with artificial intelligence. Again, pure real time environment, which means that it enables advisors to make real time decisions, whether it's strategic investment decisions, understanding the client's current position and what they need to be able to manage their life. Our clients function in a real time world. So everything that we're building is vertically integrated, natively digital, and we really get to meet those advisors and those firms where they are in that digital journey. So while they may have aspirations to be pure real time, we can meet them where they are today and support them in that journey. State Street's uniquely positioned to provide technology and asset servicing for wealth managers and advisors because we bring together not just fintech, but we also bring together the institutional power and capabilities of State Street, all in a one State Street solution. So, what that looks like is State Street as a globally systemic important bank. We have the trust and we have the reputation as well as the regulatory responsibility to make sure that we're safekeeping customer assets and that we're doing what's right for that end client. We have the reputation as well as the strength and stability to be able to meet these firms' needs and provide the best possible outcomes for their end clients.